Hi, Ian and Bill. I heard you guys speak on OSTK, Overstock, on the last few shows. I've looked into them after your review and found T0 and OSTKO. What do you think about these? Thanks. Okay, good question. So T0, that was meant to be the premier security token exchange back in 2018, 2019. And honestly, it's flopped. Uh, I do know early equity holders, people who bought into the security token offering, and they were calling, blowing up my phone, wanting me to help them offload, and that was last year. They're basically looking to get out OTC, and I haven't really heard much of that since then. Then we also have the former CEO of Overstock, I believe, Patrick Byrne. He kind of had a scandal of, I believe having an affair or dating a Russian agent or spy, which also kind of brought a bad light with everything. But in general, I mean, to kind of get off the project, I mean, STOs haven't really done well, right? They haven't taken off as people would have thought, because everyone thought security tokens and STOs would be this new wave that would bring new people, new institutions into blockchain and crypto. But none of that has happened. I mean, the new wave that last year was IEOs, but that was kind of short-lived. Then the wave after that became DeFi, right? So security tokens still haven't really taken off, and I think it's mainly been due to regulation and lack of just clarity around that from the SEC and other bodies. Bill?
Okay, so I'm going to pull up Overstock here and just try to talk about it in general. Okay, so one of the things you're going to notice about Overstock is that it started at $2 and it went to 56.
Wow.
Okay. Now, a lot of times when you get stuff like this, okay, it's because the market is telling you something that, in other words, this stock has come down from 95. Okay. So it's kind of gone halfway back. Now, the reason it did this is because, again, if the Fed comes in and makes sort of the traditional markets kind of a zombie market, T0 was designed to cut into a highly profitable business at banks called securities lending. Okay. Now, I'm not going to go into all of that, but what is happening here, I think, is that even though Overstock, the list of Overstock problems that drove it down to $2, like this bear market, the brutality of this, right, where you had something good and then everyone gave up on it. This made me cry watching Overstock go to $2. That was painful. With the reversal, it's simple. Securities markets or the stock market is betting that that Overstock and T0 will be able to create a new securities market, right? Now, the virus creates an investing environment where even if it's not there, we can bet that it will be. So, if I said 2 years ago, oh yeah, all the big banks will be clamoring to do crypto custody, you'd be like, oh, you're crazy, right? Now nothing's crazy in crypto. And again, these guys have sort of been there and have been trying to do this for a while. So at the end of the day, the market's given them the benefit of the doubt. And the stock went from 96 to 2, and now it's back at 50.
All right. Thank you, Bill. Great words on that.